Now, if developers are the brains behind the blockchain, miners are the beating heart. Now, miners are a decentralized network of computers that are solving computational puzzles for a reward in order to secure and validate truth. Now, in the Bitcoin ecosystem, miners are responsible for verifying and confirming transactions, and the health of them is measured by what's known as hash rates. Now, I'm going to look at a chart here of hash rates over a couple of years. And you can see back in February of 2016, the hash rates, and this is the estimated number of terahashes per second, which is trillions of hashes per second, started around 2 million. And it's grown exponentially over the last couple of years, and now we're up at about 25 million terahashes per second. And what this tells me is that the Bitcoin market, or the security of the Bitcoin ecosystem, has grown extremely more secure. Because in order to recreate this, you'd have to have as much mining power as already exists in the system, and buying terahashes per second is not cheap. So this is why Bitcoin is the most secure network or decentralized network that exists today.